So magandang araw sa lahat. Welcome sa ating YouTube channel, JCam Vlogs. So for today's video, mag-unbox po tayo na in-order natin sa online. Ito po yung kakabit natin sa folding bike natin na Trenx Flybird 1.0. Kung ano ito, buksan na natin. So okay naman yung packaging nya. Naka bubble wrap naman. Nice yung pagka-bubble wrap niya, guys. Pero wala siyang hindi siya nakalagay sa box, naka-plastic lang siya. At the same time naka-bubble wrap. So sa category na to, may dalawang option pag nag-order po kayo nito online. Yung isa pang disc brake, tapos yung isa naman pang B-brake. So ang order ko ay yung pang disc brake kasi disc brake yung gamit natin sa folding bike natin. So ito yung nasa plastic, guys. Ito yung para sa harap kasi nakabalot po siya ng plastic. Ito po yung lalagyan mo sa harap na sa tinidor mo. Ito, maiksi lang siya. Tsaka maganda yung plastic niya kasi flexible. Tsaka may rubber protection sa bawat dulo. Dito tsaka dito. Yan. Matibay din yung pagkakabit ng bracket niya. Naka-rivets. Yan o. Tapos ito naman sa likod. Yung sa likod medyo mahaba. Dito sa kabilang dulo wala siyang rubber. Dito. So dito sa kabilang may buta siya dito. Kabitan ng bracket. Ito yung bracket niya naka-bend na. Yan. Ito yung lalagay mo sa fender mo para mas tumibay yung kapit niya. Saka ito yung mga bolts and nuts nakasama. Yan. Saka ito dito to. Yan, nalagay mo yun dito. Slide mo lang. Yan o. Yan. Tapos kabit mo na siya. So bakit nga ba ako bumili nito? Para at the same time, umulan umaraw, pwede tayong magbike. Nabutan man tayo ng ulan, at least hindi tayo mapuputikan. Di ba? Thank you guys for watching this video. Please do make subscribe to my YouTube channel, JCam's Vlogs, and don't forget to click the notification bell para updated po kayo sa videos natin. Thank you. God bless.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome, but try to do what you love.